How to enter K-1 in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enter K-1 in TurboTax. Schedule K-1 is a tax form used to report income, deductions, and credits from partnerships, S corporations, estates, and trust. If you receive a Schedule K-1, you need to enter the information it contains in TurboTax. To do so, you want to open the TurboTax account. After that, if you're filing your taxes for a year, start a new return or continue an existing one. TurboTax will guide you through a series of questions about your income sources. Select the section for other income depending on what type of K-1 you have. TurboTax will prompt you with an option to enter Schedule K-1. Select that option to proceed. Now, TurboTax will ask you specific details from K-1, including the entity type, entity's name and EIN, the income and deductions from K-1 form, including your share of business income, dividends, interest, and more. Make sure to enter all of these fields accurately. Now, TurboTax will review your entries. After you've entered it, TurboTax will use the data from Schedule K-1 to calculate your total income, deductions, and credits. Once you've entered all of your K-1 information, TurboTax will continue to guide you through the rest of your tax return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.